For decades, this hidden V8 haunted the memories of every engineer who saw it. No one expected it to survive, but it did. This was the V8 that terrified engineers for decades.
Its story began in a secret engineering lab nobody talks about.
They were designing something far beyond its time.
Airflow this aggressive had never been before.
They tested it in hidden facilities, far from public eyes.
The sound alone left engineers speechless.
It revved harder than anything they had ever built.
And that's when fear began to spread. No engine of its era should have produced numbers like this.
Heat outputs reached levels considered impossible.
Test stands failed under its sheer force.
It wasn't just powerful, it was uncontrollable.
Internal documents labeled it too dangerous for release.
Arguments had erupted behind closed doors.
Finally, they decided to hide it from the world.
And for decades, no one dared open the boxes again.
Time buried its existence, but not its legend.
Then one day, someone found it.
The secret was about to return to life.
And what he saw shocked him instantly.
We have to shut it down before it goes critical.
If we push the pressure past 40, the whole thing goes.
Their warnings echoed across time.
But this time, it wouldn't be hidden again. Restoration awakened, power long buried. Its heart began to beat again. Modern precision completed ancient power.
The beast had found a new home.
And then, the moment everyone feared. It woke up, angrier than ever.
Flames roared like a warning.
Controlling it was nearly impossible.
Engineers once feared this exact moment.
Its wrath filled the room instantly. Driving it required nerves of steel. And controlling it was nearly impossible. Its torque shook the ground.
The sound alone terrified everyone nearby.
speed arrived like a punch to the chest.
Every shift sent a blast of fire.
Modern numbers confirm the old fears.
Even simulations struggled to contain it. Its internal forces defied expectations. Heat this extreme scared even the bravest engineers.
Its power was more alive than mechanical.
The road wasn't ready for something like this.
Every run left burn marks like battle scars.
Inside, chaos and precision lived together.
It broke dyno expectations effortlessly.
Fire became part of its personality.
Even professionals kept their distance.
It didn't follow rules, it broke them.
Cooling systems begged for mercy.
Combustion turned into controlled violence.
Every moment pushed it to the edge.
Flames pulsed like the heartbeat of a monster.
Fear wasn't from danger. It was from potential.
The sound alone shook hearts. Smoke trails marked its territory.
Heat waves bent the air around it.
Even cold starts were violent rituals.
Few could withstand its aggression.
It turned rubber into smoke effortlessly.
Even instruments feared its power.
Its pull felt like being dragged by a machine's spirit.
Even dynos feared this V8.
Nothing in the room stayed still. Reality bent around its heat.
Smoke meant it was alive.
Complaints flooded in from rival teams.
They refused to let it race, ever. Even its creators feared its future.
Public never knew why the project vanished. Its compression alone frightened engineers.
Combustion at this level was almost violent.
Every turn felt like a gamble.
Fire danced beneath the chassis. Only the brave dared chase it.
It left a trail of chaos and awe.
Every shift was a battle.
Heat was its constant companion.
Fire marked every place it touched.
Power like this wasn't meant to be controlled.
Inside, explosions danced at impossible speed.
Even restoration didn't tame its fury.
Fire lived inside its lungs.
The hidden V8 finally showed the world its true voice.
You're watching Future World Machines. Parfu, please subscribe.